Hey guys, a common question we get at Paper Pot Co. is how many flats do you need to start with? So I just want to kind of put the thought process together for you, and then you can figure out how many you need. So imagine how many beds of a particular crop you're going to transplant. So let's just say Salanova, because that's the common one that we do all the time. How many beds are you going to plant per month with that crop, or around there? Typically a crop like Salanova will stay for 3 weeks in the flat. So if you're going to plant 2 beds a week, now a 50-foot bed of Salanova, we use 1.5 flats. So that's often why we'll do 2 at a time, because then we can just do 3 flats. So if you do 2 beds equals 3 flats, 3 times 4, right, for 4 weeks, that is 12. So that means you're gonna need 12 flats available per month, roughly, for that one crop. Now, just figure out what the other crops you're gonna do. Let's say you're gonna do some spinach, maybe you're gonna use it for kohlrabi. Just by figuring out the chain pots you're gonna use, and we have this information on the website, is how many chain pots there are for each type of chain pot. So this is the LP 30315. So these are what we use for Salanova. The 15 represents centimeters, so that's 15 centimeters per chain. The 303 chain pots, these are 3 centimeters. It actually says on there 3 centimeters. That is about 1.5 inches apart. So these are what you would use for something like spinach. So basically just figure out what crops you want to grow. Then what are the chain pots you're going to use for that crop? How many chain pots, and then how many flats you're going to use per bed, whatever your bed measurement is. Maybe you're 25, 50, 100-foot beds or more. Then just figure out how many times you're going to do that crop in a month, and then that's approximately going to give you how many flats you need for that particular crop. So I find with most farms, like when we started, okay, so we're small, right? Our farm's a 1/4 acre. When we started, we needed about 60 flats right off the bat, because that's, we're at the beginning of the season, we're going to need that many transplants, but we also do some microgreens. And so the microgreens is a whole part of the other conversation. If you're going to use these for microgreens, then really all you need to figure out is how long is the average microgreen crop going to sit in that flat, and then how many of those flats you're going to do, say, in their 2-week cycle. So you can probably cycle them over every 2 weeks or so, depending on the crop exactly, but approximately that. So let's say you plant 50 microgreen flats like this a week, and it's a 2-week cycle crop, then you're going to need to have at least 100 of these to do your microgreens, and then plus whatever you need for the field. So I hope that gives you guys a formula on how to figure it out. If you want to see more videos like this, or any videos about paper pot stuff, leave your questions and comments below, and we're constantly looking to make more videos about the questions that you guys are asking. All right, thanks for watching.